Hello, how are you doing? So as you probably saw from the title, welcome to Vlogmas! If you don't know what Vlogmas is, well, it all started in 2011 when a YouTuber named Ingrid Nielsen decided to start this thing. One video every day in the countdown up till Christmas. She thought it would be a way to do kind of like a video advent calendar for her viewers. So yeah, that was 7 years ago, and since then it's like caught on majorly. YouTubers from all over the world do it. And for the most part, what people do is kind of a daily vlog of their life in this lead up till Christmas. And most of them are very like Christmas themed and a lot of Christmas stuff. I've been thinking about doing this for a while. I've gone back and forth, like, should I do it? Should I not? I don't know. And then I was like, yeah, what do I have to lose? I mean, besides sleep and time, but hey. I'm up for the challenge of making 25 videos consecutively every single day. But yeah, so the reason I'm doing this, for one, I feel like it will actually like help get me in the Christmas spirit, because I feel like usually around here, like, I don't know, I just haven't felt like super Christmassy. I've had Southern Hemisphere Christmases for a while. Wait, let me think. First time I had one in Australia, and then I've had 2 in New Zealand. So I guess it's been 3 years since I've had a Northern Hemisphere Christmas. So I'm getting kind of used to the summer Christmas, but it's still a little weird for me, and I do kind of miss the like cold wintry vibes and pretending like it's cold. It's actually kind of cold out today. You can barely tell, but I put up some little lights there. Anyway, I think it's just a fun, festive time of year. So I think this will force me to kind of get more in that holiday spirit, which is a good thing. And then the other reason why I want to do this, which is probably the bigger reason, well, I feel like I just haven't been super creative lately. I don't know how to explain it, but any of you who do creative stuff, you know, sometimes you just go through periods where you're just like not super creative feeling. Like I just haven't been like that inspired. Honestly, one thing that always inspires me is travel. And so when I'm traveling constantly and always doing something new and going somewhere new and doing all this new stuff, I'm just constantly inspired, and it's so easy to make videos and it's so easy to do stuff. Obviously, I feel like it's kind of been the elephant in the room. I'm not traveling that much right now, so if you haven't noticed. I mean, I like to do weekend adventures and go out and explore, but as far as like big travel, I have not done that for a little while. So it's been kind of challenging for me to come up with like new ideas when I get a lot of my inspiration from travel, and if I'm not doing that, then it's like, So this will be a way to force me to actually do stuff. Because last month I challenged myself to run every single day of November, which I did, and I'm gonna have a video coming about that soon. But at the same time, I also challenged myself to do something creative every single day of November. I completed the running challenge, like, no problem. The creative one, like, after the first few days, I feel like I stopped doing it. And I don't know what it is, but I feel like right now I have like some kind of mental block against creating, and I don't know why. I feel like there's so much more that I want to do and that I could be doing, and I just feel like I waste a lot of time doing not very much. So this will be a good way to force me to use my time in a more constructive manner. For me, it's kind of like, you know, the law of physics. An object in motion stays in motion, and object at rest stays at rest. Well, I feel like that is very true for me. Like, the busier I am and the more I'm doing, the more I do. And then the less I have going on, like, the less stuff I do. I just get really good at like hanging out and relaxing. I'm very good at that. So, or like the other saying, the magic happens outside of your comfort zone. I feel like that is true for me as well, because once I get like in my comfort zone, I'm just like happy doing whatever I'm doing. I don't push myself very hard, so I have to come up with challenges and force myself to do more. So that's a big reason why I'm doing this. But also, I just have like so many video ideas that I want to do, and I do have a lot more travel tips that are just like buried deep down that I want to get out to you, because there's no use just keeping them in my head. I might as well share them. Yeah, I'm not gonna do a daily vlog of my life every day for 25 days because I think to me that feels boring. If I was traveling the whole time, that would be cool. But so I'm gonna bring you more travel tips and just things that I wanna share. And I kind of want to do some more DIYs. And always, if there's anything in particular that you really want to see, leave it in the comments and I will do my best to create it. I have a whole list going of videos that you guys have suggested in the past. So I'm slowly working my way through that, but I'm always happy for more suggestions because really I make this stuff for you guys. I don't make it for myself. I never rewatch my own videos, so it's for you guys. Let me know what you want to see. For me, it's not really vlogmas. It's more like createmás is what I decided. Because I just want to create more. I'm using this as a way to create more and to connect more with you as well. I was thinking about it too, and you know, if you know Spanish, then you know más means more in Spanish. And so createmás, create more, I think that's cool. And then I was thinking also that it would be awesome if you guys join me in this December challenge of creating or doing, or I don't know, doing something for the next 25 days. See if you can keep it up. You could try the running challenge, run every day. You could do meditation, journaling, just go on walks, or whatever is something that you've been thinking that you want to do but you haven't done it and you need this extra push. Join me in that, and I'd love to hear what you might want to do. So comment below whatever you want to do with mas at the end. So like runmas or travelmas, whatever. I think it'll be fun if we join in this together and we can all share the pain of doing something every day. Because yeah, some days it's challenging to force yourself to do something. And I also wanted to share something that I learned in my Maori language class last week. It's the phrase, tu whitia te hopo. And that means feel the fear and just do it anyway. And it's like one of my new favorite sayings because yeah, I feel a little feared committing to 25 videos in 25 days. That's a big challenge. But I also feel inspired and it feels exciting, and I feel like it's good, you know? It's good to push yourself like this. So I'm excited. And you know, just gonna feel the fear and do it anyway. What's gonna happen, I think, is that yeah, I'll do a video every single day of December up until Christmas. And then I think I'll take a break for like a week because like, I don't know, it's good to take breaks and it's good to take like an actual holiday. And I feel like when you're someone that does social media, you never have like a proper holiday, especially when you're like doing stuff about travel and you record all your travels. So your time off is like your working time and then you're working, it's a lot. So I think I'll take some time off for that. And then in January, I will resume with the regular 2 videos per week. The next exciting thing that I've told you guys about before, but maybe you haven't seen, is that in April, Nick and I plan on walking the Pacific Crest Trail in the US. So that's the one that goes from the border of Mexico to the border of Canada. And it takes like 5 months, maybe 6 months. Yeah, so that's the thing that I've been spending a lot of time thinking about recently. Early next year is when you're gonna start seeing videos about that and my journey preparing for it and all of that. And then, of course, the actual walk itself. So that's what's coming in the new year, and that's kind of the next big thing. And that's why also I'm just staying here in Christchurch up until then, because I gotta just kind of stay put and save money for the moment. And then one more thing. So Nick, just super nicely, him and I were just enjoying this piece of this chocolate. So he just wanted to say thank you to you guys. He thinks you're a very nice community and all the people that watch and leave comments are so nice. He wanted to do something for you and give back. So he's gonna send a bar of chocolate or 2 to someone. Just leave in the comments below maybe your favorite type of chocolate or something. Just say in the comment that you're there for Nick's giveaway. Okay, so if you're not subscribed and you've just been watching this, then yeah, subscribe. We've got a lot of videos coming your way over the next few weeks, and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited. Okay.